K-pop Demon Hunters right now. Please comment this video and like. I love your Netflix shows. I've literally so an addict on it. This is how I sing on one of the videos, Golden by Hunter. Next, I will do Soda Pop, okay?
Got a problem child, cause I got to rap. Now she's gonna go paid. In the DJ stage, now done hiding, now be shining like I'm born to be. Cause we are hunters, boys is strong. I know to believe. We're going up to send a moment. Together we can be glowing. Together we can be glowing. And we're going up to send a moment. Together we can be golden. Together we can be glowing. Bye-bye, peace. What other do, okay? Next, Soda Pop.
Sa Valenzuela, sa harap daw